Kaitlin and thank you for watching Kaitlin's channel. So, we're going to do the baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring experiment video! So, we got all of the things prepared. We got the vinegar, 4 colors of vinegar. Well, these colors, and I will tell you what the colors is. Colors and 4 different kinds of vinegar. We're going to check, and the last object we need is baking soda. So first, we start with red. And the cap. Bring this cap to to the next one. This is blue. And the cap of this cap too. One drop. And look how it looks. It looks like ocean water. So it looks like ocean water, guys. It really looks like ocean water. Stir it. Stir, 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 stir. It's not like the stir, stir. Wow, it looks bluey. Now this experiment is getting kind of messy. Now let's go to green. Even the cap is green. Even the cap is green. It's really colorful, right guys? It's a little bit colorful. Well, okay. Kind of good color. So now the last color is yellow. It's kind of hard to say for me it's yellow because yellow. I'm trying to practice how to say yellow, but that would be nervous. Wow. That's really nice color. Well, it's a little bright. But it's okay. It's really the color. 4 colors. Then now we're going to use the baking soda. And please, guys, do this with my mommy and daddy with you. So my daddy is here. He's saying hello. He's on the electric fan. And don't forget my mama. So let's try this, guys. It's so exciting. Let's move everything inside. So let's forget the sound. Messy explosion. Will not really be really big explosion. It will be just a little explosion. Let's move everything to the side and stuff. And let's try Let's try the red one. Wow! Guys, look at that! That is so cool! Let's try the second one. It's blue. Oh, this is really fun. This will be good. Now, next. Yes, green, guys, green. Look how this. Little balls one. You know the third scoop. Good. Did you see that, guys? It looks a little messy, but it's so exciting. So guys, we're not yet finished. So please, this video is not yet finished. We'll start from the other one from the rooftop. See you later. We're in the rooftop and we're going to do the balloon video. So we got the vinegar here again. We got the baking soda and food coloring. So we got the balloons that my mommy and daddy made. So we're going to do the same thing as this one. So first, add the vinegar. So this is the color green. Then mix it together so we can combine a green color. And the last step is put this on the outer. So the baking soda has to get inside this glove, and we have to fill it up with soda. Hold it. And the bird is kind of noisy. I don't know why. We're pushing the baking soda inside this so it can fly. Make sure you push all down. There. It's okay now. We're going to do it up. Ready, 1, 2. Wow! So the next ones we're going to do. Explosion, but the next one. we're going to do the third video next after this video. But please don't watch this third video, guys. So, see you later. Bye. Second video, guys. And we're going to tell why does the vinegar and the baking soda make the balloon bigger. So, because the vinegar is an acid, and when the vinegar mixes with the baking soda, they produce tiny bubbles that make the balloon rise up, expanded. And you can see those tiny bubble particles down there, that which is the vinegar and the baking soda. So, bye-bye, guys!